when you're like starving and losing your mind, you need to just make a decision, and that decision is going to be the thing that anchors this meal. So the decision can be how much time you have. The decision can be what you're craving in terms of like, I really want Mexican food right now. So you have to choose an anchor and make your decisions around that anchor. Okay, so let's go Vietnamese direction. What if we make like a big Vietnamese salad out of whatever you have in your fridge, and that's going to be your dinner? The choice that we have made is based on these flavors. So we're going to turn to your vinegar shelf and we're going to pull down the rice wine vinegar. And knowing that, we're going to pull out the carrots, the crunchy carrots, and we're going to slice them thinly. Oh, maybe you have radish. So we'll slice those thinly. We'll pour some rice vinegar and some salt and some sugar over there and let that sit. In the meantime, we'll find out, do you have any protein that you can use? Is it tofu? Is it fish? Is it chicken? Is it meat? Is it pork? The rice noodles, those just get dunked in a pot of hot water. So let's put on a pot of water to come to a boil in the background while we're also washing our lettuces. We definitely want a big pile of herbs in this crunchy salad that's going to be super vinegary and delicious. Wait, here we have cilantro and mint. Let's pull that out of the back of the drawer. Ooh, it's kind of like yucky. We got to get all the rotting stuff off. That's what happens in my fridge every time. Get all the rotted ones off. Wait. Yeah. I want something spicy in there. Here's some jalapeno. Maybe a little bit of ginger would be good. Wait, I forgot. What are the things that go in this like Thai, Vietnamese flavors? I'm going to pull up my, cookbook. I'm going to Google this on the internet. I'm going to do a little research while the water's coming to a boil. Like, this is how I do it, is I'm just sort of like piecing it all together. And then in 15 minutes, I've figured it out. And oh my God, I can't believe I made this thing. And it tastes so good. And I feel so happy and satisfied.